Yo, yo, what's going on, everyone? I wasn't able to make a video yesterday, just, a lot of stuff going on around the house. So, real quick, let's go over what I did yesterday. At 12:40 at the end of the day, I got out of my gold position. Although I think this still looks good. I just kind of had, first of all, this was yesterday, right up here into resistance. And then kind of, I wanted to see how the rest of the day would be. If it would have rocketed up past, I would have gotten out. Or held it, I mean. Today was a CPI day. I guess it was this candlestick. And, I'm long risk assets, long gold, long some Bitcoin stuff. So, want to take at least a little bit of exposure off the table. And then also not to mention this gold position. I'm glad that it had worked out on this one because I was on vacation back here or here, whatever day. Gold broke out to an all-time high. I went long gold, and then I added on this day. Yesterday got out at 12:40. The average cost of those contracts in GLD was $6.80. I got out of those for $7.75, which is a 14% gain. I did a bunch of day trades yesterday in futures that turned out good. Yesterday was a good day. For futures trading. I don't know if we want to go through all of these, Yeah, had some gold trades. Yeah, alright, well, I don't know how long we're gonna make this video, so whatever. Yesterday, pretty good day trades. Today for futures, I didn't do too much trading, and ended the day basically flat. Like literally flat for futures. I was in NASDAQ. Look at this. Right, I was in here all day. Today, so I started a position here and then was adding all down in here. Right here, sold here. So lost money on that one, but I had some good trades in Dow. All through here a couple times, multiple times. So, like I said, basically end of the day flat with trading futures. So I guess there's, whatever. All right. So, we could go over this trade I did. I did micro trade. I usually do that to start the day. Down in here somewhere, probably. 620. 620. Oh yeah, right in here. So after this had held right here, this candlestick, I went long here. So the price of that was 124.25. So 124.25. And then I got out up here 171.25. So that was a good one. That was a really good one. That's $94 per contract. And the reason why I got in here is all of this was kind of support. And then the reason that I got out of here is that was my plan to hold this over here, over this line right here. And once it broke out, I was going to get out, and that's what happened. Sometimes you get a little bit lucky with, 71, right? I mean, that was a great spot. But yeah, traded the plan on that one. That was good. So so then what else happened today? At 7:12 in the morning, I went long Dow. Oh, yesterday I also added to my XLF. I added to XLF yesterday as well. But this morning here, somewhere like right here, 7:20. Oh, 7:12 I guess is when I went long. Okay, so like right here. Why? Well, first of all, this is holding over the 50-day moving average and starting to kind of turn back up. I like financials. Also, I think Microsoft has some room to run. Let's take a look at United Health. So United Health looks pretty good. Goldman Sachs. Oh, I'm still in Goldman Sachs. So yeah. And my plan was right after this candlestick right here, because I was thinking I need to find a place to go long Dow today. Right after this candlestick right here, good supporting action here just on the 5-minute chart. Then I went after it right there. Good solid day for Dow. So those are, oh shoot, I don't even have it written down. See, I'm still trying to figure out, like, am I going to be writing down everything like I did in the beginning? Those videos were long, those were like hour-long videos. And everything going on with the move and house and stuff. I'm trying to get these videos still out, but, a little bit shorter. So anyways, I know it's a $400 strike price, like 60 something days to expiration. What's the cost of those? $780? Yeah, I think so. $780. It's either like $880 or $780. So, anyways, yeah. Good day for those. XLF, great day. Man, XLF still, huge day. Financials leading the way. But yesterday I added to this position. Berkshire Hathaway looks great. Goldman Sachs looks good. This looks like, this looks really, really good. Berkshire Hathaway, really, really good. Something like this. Let's get a set bike. Oh, create alert. Yeah, something like that. 441. That sounds good. JP Morgan. Looks fine. It's recovered. Goldman Sachs. Pretty remarkable recovery. Goldman Sachs. What else? MasterCard and Visa. This looks really good. Awesome cupping base here. Let's look at Visa. Yeah, like I was saying, earlier, it's wild to me how much MasterCard outperforms Visa. I just don't really get it. Again, I've not really looked into it, but I don't, like I was saying, I don't know, nobody like picks a MasterCard or Visa, at least nobody that I know of. You just kind of like, that's what's given to you, right? Like with my bank, that's just what's credit card with my bank, and it's a Visa, so it's like, I don't know. Okay. Oh, TLT. So I got out of bonds today. Like I was saying this whole time, since when I got in right here on this day, 8/8, right here. I'm not looking for as a dramatic move as this. And it was nice. I caught this whole move, and then I also have caught this whole move. And to 98, that seemed good to me. I still like bonds. And if we get another, asset class to continue to that works, that would be fantastic. I think so. I mean, this is huge volume coming in. So now I do understand that this was like massive recession fears, and people were freaking out saying the Fed needs to do an emergency rate cut now. So of course bonds were performing well. So I know this was kind of more of like panic. But regardless, at least people were like panicking into bonds as before they were panicking out of bonds. And this bodes well for financials, banks and stuff. So if bonds perform well, I think these banks will perform well too. Banks have been underwater on their bond positions for a while, so it's good, especially for regionals. I do know that regionals have a lot of more exposure to commercial real estate as a percentage, but hopefully this can turn and start moving up. Okay. Oh, so anyway, so we got out of TLT. This is a 43% gain. Those are $3.53 was the cost of those, the average cost. And I sold today at $5.05, so that's 43% gain. For the gold one, I didn't say the price of those, but that was $680. Oh yeah, I did. $680 to $775, 14%. Man, what else am I still in? I'm still in all the same stuff. Everything, the same. Dow, I'm really excited. I hope Dow can start working out. Good old Dow Jones. What's up with futures after hours? Or I guess during hours for them. It's up-ish, I guess. That's fine. It's whatever. So this looks good. I drew this new trend line here today. We'll see if this does anything, if it means anything. So this looks something along these lines. So, around maybe here, I'll look to get out of the position. Maybe here, maybe depending on how quickly this would go up, or if it goes up, that's where I would be getting out. Here, something like that. I'm still in those super long dated TQQQ calls, December expiration of these bad boys. Yeah, I'm up Those are good. I forgot, when did I get in? It's like, here. I'll know from this. This day. 8-8. I got in those 8-8. But kind of the high of the day on 8-8. When was that? Let's see. Where's 8-8? 8-8. Here's 8-8. Yeah, it was like right here. No, it was right here. Yeah, so kind of almost the high of the day, right? So those contracts are definitely, they're up, and those are in the money. Those are when I had placed that was like what do you say? Yeah, that was like $55 strike price, something like that. So Nasdaq. Oh, copper. Let's look at copper. So I'm still. Oh, I can just go through this. Okay, so Bitfarms. I'm still in this one. A small position in this. I don't really even pay attention to this too much. Although I'm gonna need to start figuring this out soon. What I'm gonna do with this? Am I gonna get out of this or not? You know, because I'm not willing to let it ride to zero. So I gotta figure out if I'm gonna get out of this one or not here at some point. It's like 40 days to expiration on this one. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin and we can see if I'm gonna. Ooh, yikes! Today was not a good day for Bitcoin. Not good. Oh. Ooh. Wowzers. Who knows? Maybe the Bitcoin bull market's over. It very well could be. I would be shocked if it was, but maybe. Yeah, I mean, you can't lie with this chart. Just how it looks like shit. So, but like I said, I mean, I would be shocked if it was. It just would make zero sense if Bitcoin's bull market was over. It wouldn't make any sense. Now, the one thing I will say is the amount of shitcoinery is top-ish behavior. And on CNBC, they had the Bitcoin price tracker, and this duration of this bull market was the same as like this one back here, 2020 to 2021. And I'm the only one that has been saying this, and I've been saying it to my friends and shit. And no one else is really saying that. But, you know, it's up to interpretation, right? Like, when do you think the bull market actually started and whatever? But from what I gathered and what I looked at, you know, they were both like a year and a half or something like that. So, there's that for you. Okay, going to, I'm still in Robinhood as well. Yeah, see, this doesn't look good at all. But again, I mean, if this can start working, that would be so fantastic. This is a huge base. This can break out of here, you know, that would be fantastic. That would be awesome. You know, I wonder if Robinhood starts going nutso, if that's how you'll know. It's like the end of the bull market, you know? TLTM out of that XLF. We already went through this. Still in XLF. This is working out great. Copper. I don't like the price action on copper today. That is for sure. Okay, it's hanging on in there. Alright. That one's fine. I'm up in the copper position a little bit, nothing that cool. I think it's like 10% or something like that. I forget, but yeah. Got him back here on this day, 8-8. Let's look at Celsius. I'm in Celsius. And I said I would do like a full analysis of this stock. I haven't had a chance yet. I mean, the projects and, trading and all the stuff I do and, just an all day plus the move and all, a bunch of projects and stuff. It's been hard to find time, but let's see if we can go to analyze. Let's see if we can find anything on Celsius. Oh, here, we could just do this as well. Celsius. Dun dun dun. I like how they point out double top. I pointed that out too. Here you have a double top. Alrighty. Let's see. Ooh, 30%. Whoa. Sales. Wow. Earnings quarter over quarter. Gross margin. Wowzers. Alright. Great financials. Where's their... What? A little debt? Yeah. Uh-huh. Wow. See, okay, so PE doesn't matter. Like, anyone that talks about PE is dumb. They're just dumb. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. If PE has mattered, you've missed every major stock since 1999. You'd be like in Verizon, or something for this entire time. So current PE, like, it just doesn't matter. I mean, sure, extremes, they absolutely matter. They definitely matter. But generally speaking, PE, it just doesn't matter at all. Forward PE matters more so than PE. So you want to see a forward PE that is less than current PE, which shows you that they're expected to grow. And that's all that matters, really. I mean, there's a bajillion things that matter, right? But you invest in a stock because you think that their sales are going to increase and revenues are going to increase and they're going to do better in 3 months than they did the last quarter, So this is what that is showing. Let's see what's up with any insider stuff. Anything shocking? Dean DeSantis. Who the heck is that? Is that Ron DeSantis? Are they related? That'd be so funny. Oh, and Deborah DeSantis. Dang, I wonder who these people are. Dean and Deborah. Wow. This guy, dang, him and his wife are just blasting away at this, huh? Man, they were just pedal to the metal. Yeah, look at this. Revenues. Way up. Profits up. EBITDA. Way up. Yeah. Huh. Another thing when looking at what insiders are doing is the sales don't really matter as much as buying. And now why is that? Well, how do you know why somebody's selling? Why an insider's selling? It could be because they want to get their fourth home. You know, they want to buy a home in the Hamptons, or they want to get a yacht, or they want to diversify, right? I mean, what if you're a founder of the company and you have like, you know, the price of your stock has tripled, and now your net worth is like freaking totally in your company, right? You know, like you want to diversify, or maybe they want to send the kid to, you know, college, or just, you know, but buying, anytime you see any insiders buying, that's usually a very good sign, because I mean, you know, you get stock options, and publicly traded companies, a lot of the time employees get stock options, right? You know, and they get a certain amount of stock every year, or bonuses in stock, or a lot of them are matching contributions to stock, right? So they're buying stock all the time. So if you see like an outsized buy, something out of the ordinary, that's a huge signal. Just because they're selling doesn't really matter, again, unless it's something extreme. And I would argue this is pretty extreme. Look at all this, 25 million. That's nice. 100 mil, 150, 75. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. I wonder who those people are. They're certainly rich. Can you click on this thing? Oh, anyways. Okay, so let's look at what's going on tomorrow. Clear. United States. Let's see if there's anything of interest tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday. I can't believe it's only Wednesday. CPI. Oh, the CPI report was awesome. It was perfect. It was exactly what you would want. Came in basically just as expected. Nothing crazy, nothing out of the ordinary. You know, just what you want. Okay, Thursday, tomorrow. Retail sales. I think that could be okay. Yeah, see, the thing with retail sales is this stuff matters when it's an extreme, if it's anything unexpected. But yeah, so that's it. Cool. Tomorrow's going to be an amazing day. So tomorrow and Friday, I think it's gonna be awesome. Tomorrow I'll be able to do a better video tomorrow, I think. I think I'll be able to write more stuff down, and we've got projects and people working on things around here, right? So I'm kind of like ding 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 ding. So anyways, that's it, guys. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be awesome. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.